What if I told you that China just released an AI model that's not only open source, but powerful enough to beat OpenAI and Google at their own game? This isn't clickbait, it's real. Meet Qwen 3 by Alibaba, a full family of next-gen AI models, from compact versions that run on laptops to a 235 billion parameter giant that's already outperforming GPT and Gemini in real benchmarks. And the best part? You can download it right now, use it for free, and even run it locally or on the cloud. No strings attached. With cutting-edge features like mixture of experts routing, hybrid reasoning, 128K context, and support for 119 languages, Qwen 3 is a serious threat to the Western AI giants. So how did Alibaba pull this off? And what does it mean for the global AI race? Let's break it all down. Alibaba didn't just launch a single model. They dropped a full family of AI systems under the name Qwen 3, and it's one of the most versatile open-source AI releases we've seen. At the lower end, Qwen 3 includes lightweight models with as few as 600 million parameters, small enough to run on a decent laptop. At the high end, a jaw-dropping 235 billion parameter mixture of experts model built for maximum performance. But here's where it gets clever. It doesn't fire up all those parameters at once. Instead, Qwen 3 uses an efficient expert routing system. From 128 possible expert subnetworks, only 8 activate per query. This smart routing delivers the power of a giant model without the extreme computational cost, making Qwen 3 both scalable and efficient. And if the expert system feels like overkill, Alibaba also released 6 regular dense models, ranging from 32B to 0.6B, all fully open source under a permissive license. You can grab them from Hugging Face, GitHub, ModelScope, or Kaggle, or launch them instantly through providers like Fireworks AI or Hyperbolic. Setup is simple. Some versions can be run with a single terminal command, and others come with plug-and-play wrappers for tool integration, code generation, and task automation. Whether you're an AI researcher, indie developer, or enterprise team, Qwen 3 is ready to deploy, scale, and compete. This release alone is enough to shake up the global AI landscape, but Alibaba didn't stop there. Next, let's look at the features that make Qwen 3 shockingly powerful in real-world use. What really sets Qwen 3 apart isn't just its size, it's how intelligently it thinks. Alibaba introduced a powerful concept called hybrid reasoning. By default, Qwen 3 launches into what they call thinking mode, a process where the model walks step by step through a problem, revealing its chain of thought in real time. This is ideal for complex math, code generation, or any task where logic and precision matter. But when speed matters more than depth, you can tell Qwen 3 to switch gears. Using simple commands like /nothink or toggling a flag in your prompt, the model drops into fast response mode, delivering answers instantly, similar to GPT 3.5's latency. You can switch modes back and forth mid-conversation, and Qwen 3 will adapt on the fly, making it incredibly responsive in dynamic workflows. It also handles long-form context like a pro. With support for 128K tokens, you can feed it novel-length prompts, full documents, or deeply nested conversations, and it won't break a sweat. For ultra-long sessions, developers can even push that limit further using sliding window kernels or yarn extensions. Multilingual support? It's unmatched. Qwen 3 understands and generates text in 119 languages and dialects, making it one of the most globally capable models ever released. Whether it's reasoning through tough prompts, responding quickly in fast-paced apps, or supporting users across the world, Qwen 3 adapts in ways few models can. And all of this is fully open source. No API walls, no license nightmares, just powerful AI ready for real-world use. Qwen 3 doesn't just talk big, it delivers, consistently outperforming heavyweight models from tech titans in rigorous evaluations. Let's start with the numbers. Alibaba's flagship 235B parameter mixture of experts model beat OpenAI's GPT-403 Mini and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro on critical fronts, especially in logical problem-solving, mathematics, and software tasks. On IME Math and BFCL reasoning suites, it scored top-tier marks landing in the same performance bracket as Grok 3, yet available publicly and open source. Even the mid-tier Qwen 3-32B rivaled closed-weight incumbents, surpassing GPT 3.5 variants in live coding environments. The 4B checkpoint, despite its small footprint, edged out older 70B models from previous iterations. That means laptops with mid-range GPUs can now handle serious workloads, no supercomputers required. So how did they achieve this? Through a massive training campaign. Qwen 3 consumed approximately 36 trillion tokens, doubling the previous generation's dataset. The developers went far beyond basic scraping, mining multilingual sources, extracting structured documents, and generating synthetic STEM data through earlier Qwen versions. The curriculum emphasized depth, breadth, and long-form coherence. Context length is another area where it shines. With native support for 128K tokens, it's capable of parsing documents at scale without fragmentation. A sliding kernel system enables developers to stretch these limits further, perfect for legal, academic, or enterprise-scale use cases. Under the hood, engineering efficiencies were everywhere. Key value heads halved, embedding strategies optimized, and dense variants structured for minimal memory usage. Hardware deployment is flexible, from 24 gigabyte VRAM cards for 14 billion dense models to local gaming laptops, comfortably running the 4 billion build. Beyond raw capability, Qwen 3 introduces true developer-first integration. A Python-based assistant framework enables seamless tool usage, including code interpreters, time zone APIs, and structured memory modules. Messages arrive wrapped in tags, allowing fine-grained control over logging and behavior. And because everything's permissively licensed, startups and enterprises can build directly on top. No hidden costs or legal hurdles. Whether you're analyzing spreadsheets, deploying smart agents, or running multi-language apps, Qwen 3 stands ready, and most importantly, it's already leveling the playing field. So what does Qwen 3 mean for the future of AI? It's more than just another model drop. It's a loud signal that China's AI industry is no longer playing catch-up. Alibaba has released something that's not only powerful and efficient, but also freely available to developers, researchers, and startups worldwide. From hybrid thinking to 128K context, from cross-lingual coverage to tool usage, Qwen 3 delivers real-world performance without the typical restrictions of closed platforms. It shows that open-source AI can compete directly with the most advanced models from Silicon Valley, and sometimes even pull ahead. And let's be honest, this launch isn't just about models or benchmarks, it's about access. Qwen 3 gives people everywhere the power to build with cutting-edge tools without needing 8 H100s or a $1 million cloud bill. Whether you're an indie dev, a research team, or a company trying to escape licensing traps, Qwen 3 is now a serious option on the table. And this is just version 3. With Alibaba already hinting at scaling everything, parameters, modalities, reinforcement learning, we could be looking at a full-stack open-source AGI competitor in the near future. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown saved you time, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff AI insights, and tell us in the comments. Is Qwen 3 the real rival OpenAI didn't see coming? Let's talk.